When you use a compressor, whether you meet that problem before under the motor running normal, but the compressor isn't building pressure or not making air. There are many reasons can cause this problem. Pressure switch has broken, the one we valve inside has dust, air tube leakage, air pump problem, and so on. This video finding out how to troubleshoot air pump. The sample air pump in the video is power-free horsepower and cylinder 6. Air pump air backflow. Under normal conditions, crankshaft-driven piston and cylinder to compress the air and then sent to the storage tank. But if the air doesn't send to your storage tank and outward exclusion, our engineer calls it air backflow. That will cause compressor pressure insufficient. If long-term work under air backflow, the air filter will damage due to overheat. How to check air pump have air backflow? Under normal conditions, the suction of the air pump can suck the paper. But if the air pump has air backflow, the air outward exclusion cannot suck the paper. How to repair air pump if it has air backflow? Open the cylinder cover, check it has dust inside, then cleaning. After the long work, screw loose will lead gasket operation. Open the cylinder cover, check aluminum gasket and paper gasket. Replacement them if find any broken.